Welcome to the Daily Market Review brought to you by OptionsClick.
Hello and welcome to our look at the upcoming November 5th trading session. In front of you, I have the economic calendar as you would expect. A couple things coming out during the day that could move markets. Monetary policy meeting minutes out of Japan just gives us an idea, if nothing else, as to what the BOJ thinks could move the yen. We have the official bank rate out of London, and that, of course, could move the FTSE and the pound, although we do not anticipate any change. But we do have Carney speaking shortly thereafter, so really it's probably going to be more about what he says. A little later on in the session, we have the RBA monetary policy statement as well, right after we switch GMT. And with that, it's possible we may get a bit of volatility there as well, due to what the Australians think about global economics. Looking at the S&P 500, you can see that we had a fairly neutral candle during the day on Wednesday. We are starting to struggle a little bit as we get towards the high 2120. So if we can get above there, then things get very positive. We start buying calls. At this point in time, though, we would fully anticipate a pullback in lieu of the jobs number coming out fairly soon. But that should be a call buying opportunity as well. So either we break out to the upside or we see some type of supportive candle below. Both of those have us buying calls. We have no interest in buying puts. Looking at the gold markets, you can see we tried to rally, but we turned back around. This just screams a market that's ready to go lower. If we can break down below the bottom of the range for the day on Wednesday, we are buying puts and aiming for 1100. The German DAX, as you can see, initially tried to break above the 11,000, but then pulled back to find support at the 10,800 euros level. This little bit of a bounce looks supportive, and therefore we are call buyers, especially once we get above the 11,000 level. With that, we've taken a look at the November 5th trading session.
This review is brought to you by OptionsClick, the most trusted binary options broker.